years, maybe 5 years before Goosebumps came along. This is the very first one, Welcome to Dead House. Goosebumps was approached to me and RL the same way. Different words, but the same idea. Listen, we don't think this is going anywhere. We'd like you to do a favor for us. If you could paint the first couple of covers of this. We think there's only going to be 4. No one's going to buy them. We're going to even knock a few $100s off what we usually pay you. And if you don't want to, we get it. But if you help us out here, we promise you after this thing dies off, we'll put you on something good. So, you know, I always made sure, I always took every job that came my way. Yeah, it's a couple $100 cheaper, less, but it's maybe there's not another job immediately, so I'm going to take it. And sure, this looks like fun.